Hi folks, Rob and Nathan here at Osceola Heritage Park in Kissimmee, Florida. We're at the Mecum Auto Auction for 2022 in Kissimmee. 3,500 cars, definitely where the cars are. I want to show you another fine example that is at the auction today, and this particular vehicle will be going across the block tomorrow, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe the size of this and the splendor of this beautiful vehicle. This is a 1938 Packard 12-town limousine. And in 1990, it was a winner, a 1994 Willistead Classic Best in Class, CCCA designated classics from 1925 to 1948. It is a blue ribbon Best in Circle at 1995 Meadowbrook Concours d'Elegance, and first in class at National Packard Automobile Classic Meets in Dayton, Ohio in 1996. Now it is the CCCA Grand Classic First Prize winner in 1996, an AACA Junior National First Prize in 1996, and an AACA Senior National First Prize in 1998. Now this car has enjoyed the same owner since 1983, and it did also enjoy a comprehensive 11-year restoration completed by the former pre-war technical advisor to the National Packard Club. Now it is powered by a splendid 473 cubic inch V12 engine, and it does have a 3-speed manual transmission and a semi-floating rear axle. Does have independent coil spring suspension, a worm and roller steering, and it has Bendix hydraulic drum brakes. Can you imagine trying to stop that thing with that much weight and that much rolling weight and heft, and you're trying to stop it with drum brakes? But that's what the technology was when this car came out way back in 1938. This is an absolutely splendid example. I think its prominence of all of its awards that it's won show that as an absolutely splendid example of a Packard. And this is a Packard 12, and this is a town sedan. Probably one of the most preeminent vehicles of its time, just for its overall size and splendor and design and technology that was built in this beautiful car. Again, this car is here at Mecum Auto Auctions at Kissimmee, 3,500 cars. This is one of the beautiful examples of what is available here, and this will be going across the block tomorrow. So once you see this video, it will have already sold on January 13th. But what we wanted to do is give you an idea of the different types of vehicles that are actually at Mecum Auto Auctions, to show you some of the things that you're missing if you're not here. So that's it, Mecum Auto Auctions, Kissimmee, Florida.